Today, I'm going to teach you how to add manual activity on the Strava app. So I'm starting here by opening the Strava application on my phone. Once I'm inside the app, I'm looking down at the bottom right corner of the screen. Right there, I can see a plus icon and I'm going ahead and tapping on it. That opens up a menu with a few different options for adding activity. From here, I'm tapping on manual activity because that's the option I need to log something I've already done instead of tracking it in real time. Now the manual activity screen opens up and the first thing I see is a field where I can enter the title of my activity. So I'm tapping into that field and typing something like morning run or whatever name fits the workout I want to log. This helps me keep track of what each activity was so I can look back later and know exactly what I did. After that, I'm moving down to the next section where it says how did go. This is an optional field, but I can tap on it and add a quick note or reflection about how the activity went if I want to. Right below that, I see a drop-down menu where I can choose what type of activity I did. So I'm tapping on that drop-down and scrolling through the list until I find the right category. Whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or something else, I'm just selecting the one that matches what I actually did. Once that's set, I'm noticing there are also options to add muscle group and photos or videos. If I want to include those details, I can tap on them and add that extra information. But if not, I can just leave them blank and move on. Now I'm heading down to the activity stats section. This is where I input all the important details about the workout. First, I'm tapping on the day field and selecting the date when I actually did this activity. After that, I'm entering the time I started, the duration of the workout, the distance I covered, and the speed if I know it. These fields help Strava track my progress over time, so I'm making sure to fill them in as accurately as I can. Once that's done, I'm scrolling down a bit more to the details section. Here, I can add an activity tag, mark how the activity felt, and even include some notes if I want to remember anything specific about the session. This is totally optional, but it's useful if I like keeping detailed records of my workouts. After I've filled in what I need, I'm moving down to the visibility section. This part controls who can see my activity on Strava. I'm tapping on the drop-down menu and choosing between everyone, followers, or only me depending on how private I want this activity to be. Right below that, I notice there's an option for hidden details. If I want to hide certain information like start time or calories, I can tap on those toggles and turn them on. This keeps some of the data private even if the activity itself is visible to others. Once I've gone through all these settings and I'm happy with everything I've entered, I'm scrolling back up to the top and tapping Save Activity. And that's it. The manual activity is now saved in my Strava profile and I can see it listed along with all my other workouts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.